We're gonna do 6 games in a row. No line drills, no practice. Well, this is practice, but no line drills, nothing. We're just gonna go and try and wing it. We're gonna see the highest scores we can get today. Hoping to average a 200 between all 6 games. Highest game I think I'll have today will probably be like a 230 or a 240. That's my prediction. Oh, that's heavy. You think I can get a strike first throw? No warm up? Yeah. Light work. If I get a strike right here, Joe, you have to kiss me.
Kiss you?
Mm-hmm.
Say what?
Okay. Fuck her up, baby.
That's crazy. Oh.
This is me at home when I work out.
With a bowling ball? Wake up.
Here we go. That one felt good. So my phone died. I was gonna let it charge, but I got the first 6. I'm getting nervous. All right, we're on the 9th frame. I've hit 8 strikes in a row. My heart's pumping. I can't let it get to my head though. Can't talk to anyone. I just gotta focus in. Oh, the most I've hit was 9 in a row, and I had 2 open, so it wasn't a 300. I've tied my record, bro. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. I got the first 9 and got a 9 in the 10. Still on track for one of my best games ever though, if I can hit the spare. But it's a 10 pin, so we'll see. Dog, I'm literally gonna just... It's not even my best game ever, dude. My best game was a 278, and that was the other 9 strikes. Oh my god. I've never been that close to 300 and oofed it. This is why bowling is one of the hardest sports, in my opinion. This is what we're averaging. Average is a 204.8. A week since I filmed my last video. Another bowling day, another bowling session. I just got done with my practice game, my drills. Just gonna hop right into it. I'm just gonna kind of bowl like I'm in league today. I'm on 4. This one was a correction because got a 9 and it slid. Like, let's say the pin was here. When it hit, it slid over like this far. And normally I'll count it as a strike and clear it, which is just practice. It doesn't matter. In league, you would have to do a pin spot, but in this situation, it actually like messed up the pin deck, so I had to clear it and restart it because it fell over almost immediately once it got laid back down. Alright, y'all, that was the first game. Again, that green strike means that was a correction. And that was only a correction because it's practice. So it still doesn't defeat the fact that I got all that at the end. But a 221. Not bad for the first game.
ignore the first game because that was drills, but we got a 221, 182, 178, 192, and a 176. Last one was just a, screw around game. Just throwing two-handed at the end because I was so mad. But we averaged a 178.5. Think of if I would have just gave up here, probably would average like a 185. But yeah, I'm gonna go home. Over bowling today.